Here I have ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, then go to the reset options, select erase all data factory reset, erase all data, and then erase all data. And after that your device will be restarted in about a minute, and all the data will be deleted, all the settings will be reset, and your device will be just as new. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.